What's up, everybody? I'm Keith Perry, getting back at it again. About to eat some McDonald's. Do a mukbang for you guys because it's Grimace's birthday. I don't have any party blowers or whatever have yous, noisemakers, but what I do have is the special birthday meal for Grimace. McGrimace with a medium Grimace shake, 10-piece McNuggets, and a medium fry. And there is a Big Mac option, but believe it or not, I'm not a big fan of the Big Macs.
Wait, what?
So I did not get that. I did throw my shake in the freezer to get it a little cold as it was melting in the car a little bit. But here we have you, Grimace's birthday. Turn on some more lights in here too, get a little brighter up in this. Yeah, there you go, Grimace's birthday. And if you can see on top, there's like white kind of in the middle too. From what I read online, this is vanilla ice cream from McDonald's. And then they mix in a berry flavor. There's berry flavor in here, that's why it's purple. So I saw it on Report of the Week, a review bra, and his was not mixed very well. There's a lot of like excess purple down here at the bottom. Mine looks like it was blended very nicely. I'm wearing a purple shirt in honor of Grimace with Kirby, who's just eating everything because Grimace is kind of like a big blobby thing. I'm not even sure what he is. I've heard a couple different theories, but I'm not, that's here nor there. I'm not here to debate what Grimace is. I'm here to eat this meal. So let's set it up. What else do we know about this meal? Well, I told you it's got the medium fries. It's got the 10-piece nuggets. Now that is decorated as well. Grimace's birthday with purple font. Little confetti pieces everywhere. 10-piece McNuggets, Grimace's birthday. Pretty cool. I do like that they did some like legit branding for this. Unlike, the Cardi B meal and all this other weird celebrity rapper meals they did, where it was just like, get our weird, we like this with a shake and a large fry and 2 different sandwiches, me and my wife. Who cares? Well, I guess some people do care. Strike that from the record, pardon me, but I personally did not care. And I also went with sweet and sour sauce. Just like the Report of the Week there. He did get this same sauces, but, I have a surprise. Because I have a special sauce saved for a special occasion. Szechuan sauce. Oh, yeah. Now, this Szechuan sauce came out last year, 2022. The second release after Rick and Morty pleaded for it to come back in 2018. But here it is, Szechuan sauce. I'm going to eat it with this McNuggets. Grimace's birthday. So let's see. I'm going to have to prop all this up somehow. Let's go. Challenge accepted. Let's go. I got some things I might be able to use here. Maybe even use sweet and sour sauce. Nope. But what if I do that and then use a sweet and sour sauce? Perfect. Then we'll do this. Pop up a Szechuan sauce to the side. Pop up these fries up here next to it. Pop that up. We'll put up this sweet and sour sauce there. The Szechuan sauce there. We got to get, obviously, the purple what have you is very important. I'm going to have to grab my phone here to get a good thumbnail. Oh, yeah. And before I get the thumbnail, welcome to End Media.
You are now watching an End Media production.
All right. Here we go. Let's get this thumbnail. Let's get it. Let's see if we can. Can we acquire the perfect thumbnail? Well, I can't do it with my finger there. Am I going to do it upside down again like I did last time? Well, maybe I can still do it with my finger here. Get down here. Yeah, let's do this. Let's prop it up. Hand out of the way. Oh, okay. Okay, get the bag back here. Get my face in here somehow. Here we go. Now we're talking. Now we are fucking talking here. It's gonna say Grimace's birthday right on the fucking side of this bad motherfucker. I'm gonna get this bag up here. Put my head next to the bag. Okay. All right. That should get it. Ooh. Gonna have to like flip the image because text is all backwards because of the camera that I'm using, but that's okay. That, you know, stuff like that happens and you can fix it by reversing the image. Okay, there you have it. Thumbnail acquired. Fingers crossed, hopefully. I guess we'll find out, huh? But in the meantime, god damn it, the camera's not where I want it to be. Sorry, guys. I apologize. As you know, I never really know what the fuck I'm doing here. I'm just kind of winging it, and, you know, that's how it goes. That's right. My dog's here this time, too. She's pupping around in here, making some ruckus, you might hear. But first things first, I'm going to eat the fries, because they're probably already getting cold, but oh well. They will still be good. I love McDonald's fries. Happy birthday, Grimace. They are kind of cold. Took too long to set up, but it's delicious. They're still like perfectly cooked. Not burnt, not undercooked. They're like crispy and fresh. They still taste fresh, even though they're not that hot. And they gave me a lot of fries. I didn't have to like prop them out of the box before I started eating them. They were already sticking out. Doesn't happen often. At least not around my parts. And where are those parts? Kind of like San Diego, kind of center of the county. I'm in the South County, but North County goes pretty far up. I'm definitely closer to the border. To Mexico than the northern border of the county. These fries are pretty good. Salt. Consistency is good. It's like a little salty, but I definitely prefer that over not enough salt. So I personally enjoy them. Mmm. Delicious. Fries were great. I do like some McNuggets with just ketchup, so I'm gonna start with that. Yeah, the breading on McNuggets has never been my favorite. One of my least favorites, actually. But when you pair it with this magical, glorious sauce, it becomes a delicacy. A party in my mouth. And I knew I saved this last sauce for a special occasion. I just didn't know it was going to be Grimace's birthday. Now, I was born in 84. Same year that Ghostbusters movie came out. Same year that Ninja Turtles comic book came out. Yeah, a lot of cool pop culture came out in 84. Back to the Future, I'm pretty sure. But, that being said, when I was a kid growing up in the 90s, Grimace, the Hamburglar, all those guys, I mean, they were everywhere. It was just part of McDonald's. They had Birdie, they had the Fry Kids. They had like high chairs with all the characters on it for babies to sit in and like look at all the cool. They'd be like painted onto the tray, so like they'd be eating off of it. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta smother these in the sauce. Use it up. Now it's kind of like a teriyaki soy sauce. That's how I would describe the Szechuan sauce. It's so good. Now this looks more like a Burger King chicken nugget, or even a piece of a Chick-fil-A nugget. Just because it's cooked a little more, I guess. Tastes different too. Okay, well, yeah, I was talking about all the characters. Hamburglar is my personal favorite. I also, for whatever reason, liked Birdie a lot. I remember as a kid. I think as most, a lot of kids were kind of creeped out by Grimace. I think I was one of them. Wasn't quite sure what he was. It was just a big purple thing. Reminded me of a gumdrop from the game Candyland. Mixed with one of the monsters. So, you know, it's kind of creepy. If you know what Grimace is supposed to be, put it in the comments below. I honestly can't even remember what the two theories are that I've heard, but I remember one of them was kind of dark. So good. Goodbye Szechuan sauce. All right, last nugget. Just ruining it with ketchup now compared to the Szechuan sauce. Oh my God, that was glorious. Should have ate more with ketchup. Had my last bite be with the Szechuan sauce, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't, because I'm about to cleanse my palate with what I've been waiting for. Save the best, hopefully, for last, as they say. Someone says it, I don't know who, but I've heard that. And, yeah, let's try this milkshake. Again, I've heard it is vanilla with berry. Or I've read that. And heard it, because I think Review Bra, report of the week, I think he said it was, he would say raspberry was the strongest flavor he was getting. Okay, it's purple. That's for damn sure. It's like a light purple. Here it is next to my purple shirt. And I wore Kirby because, you know, Kirby likes to eat food, and this is a mukbang. I'm eating food. Granted, it wasn't tons of food. I can honestly probably eat more. But, you know, it's Grimace's birthday. Today's June 12th. I know this won't come out on June 12th. It might on my channel. But for End Media, it will not. But that's how you know it was Grimace's birthday. June 12th. On this day did I go. And you know what? I wish I got a picture of it. But they even had like a little display set up with balloons and like purple plates and confetti and stuff, and like all the cups and the boxes and the bags, all the decorations were like out in a little display. It was actually kind of cute. But yeah, here we go. Grimace. The Grimace shake. Oh my God. Wow, this is fire, as the kids would say. Holy crap, this is, as I would say, this is dank and delicious. Holy moly. Oh, sorry, pepper. Pepper's down by my feet. Oh, yeah. I definitely taste the vanilla flavor, and it's like a very faint berry flavor. And it is probably just like a mix of berries. Because I can't quite put my tongue on it, if you will. But this is great. It is still kind of thick. I guess I didn't need to put it in the freezer. But it was only in there for like 2 minutes while I set up the table. But yeah, it might take a while to drink this, so let's do the outros. We're already at 19 and a half minutes, so another long one. I feel like I didn't talk as much this time either. Weird. You can email us at endmediamail@gmail.com. You can still tell us to go fuck ourselves, or leave show suggestions. That's hard to say. That's kind of like a tongue twister. But yeah, endmediamail@gmail.com. That's the new email for the channel. If you're watching this on Mac 420kp, then it has nothing to do with anything, except that you should go watch it on End Media, and there will be a link in the description, because I always do that. watch our podcasts on YouTube or listen to them on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or any other podcast format that you can podcast and listen to a podcast. There's multiple. There's the Earth's Suckhole, the Zong Zone. Speaking of the Zong Zone, try and find that on Facebook. If you can't, go to the Earth's Suckhole on Facebook, and you can find me and Kevin there and ask us, how do I get into the Zong Zone? And we will get you in there. What other podcast? There's Rant of Whatever, Rowboat Motherfucker. There is Spooky Sightings. Oh man, that's not the name of it, I don't think. Something Sightings. I've actually been on that, talking about my experiences. There's Lights Out Entertainment, my personal favorite. And I think there's more, but as usual, I'm pretty high when I do this, so I don't know everything that I should. I also have a YouTube channel. There's one called Mac420KP, but there's a main channel that I have called Soapworthy Productions. And I do epic shoe grinds, soap shoe grinds, Heelys with grind plates, shoe grinds, all the type of grinds. Lately, I haven't uploaded on there for a while, actually. I've been not feeling too good. If you can notice I sound a little stuffy, it's because I've been getting over a cold. I've also been off-roading before I was sick. I got my Jeep fixed, and so I've been doing a few off-road trips and just haven't been soaping. And I need to get back at it again. I really do, because I'm getting older and my body's falling apart. My back is bad. My knees are starting to go bad, so I don't have much time left. I think that I can literally do soaping. So I feel like I can go till I'm 40. I'll be 39 in September, so that clock's ticking down. Time goes fast, as we all know. Yeah, I guess we still don't really have a outro. But maybe something like...
And End Media Production.